Good morning, class. How are you? Yes, I am fine. So, in last class, we have revised the formula and we have discussed some questions in the classrooms also. So, that first video, just remember because on that only this whole chapter is based upon. Okay. Now, today we'll discuss some new things here. First of all, have a slow and have a very fast recap what we have learned in the first one there. Okay, so here is that. So this is the first thing, that is the mensuration. This is the difference between the 2D and 3D step. For that we can take the help of the first video. No need to explain this again here. This lateral surface area and total surface area we have to find. Okay, we have to find volume also. So for different shapes I have explained the volumes also in the first video there. You will see this one shape is cone here. In that I have explained the slant height there. This was the slant height formula, and this is called slant height only. This length is called slant height only. Okay, so we have explained this. We have found the volume of a sphere. We are knowing the volume of this cube. Okay, cuboid. This is the cone here. Okay, this is the cylinder here. Remember all these things very nicely. Okay, this lateral surface area, total surface area, everything you have to remember only. Then this chapter can be solved there. This hemisphere, very important. Hemisphere, one thing I would like to say here, that in the case of hemisphere, you know what, this radius and this height both are same. Only in the case of hemisphere, this radius and this height is always same there. Okay, then we have read about this. We'll read about the scooping out. Okay, when the figure some shapes are scooped out, so they are removed, then what we need here, suppose that in this question I'll just explain only. It is given here that find the total surface area of the article if these two shapes are scooped out. Basically this shape is cylinder. Okay, from that cylinder this shape and this shape has been scooped out. Then what is remaining here? So understand here what is remaining here. Here it is remaining the curved surface area of the cylinder. Okay, that means this outer portion is still there. So that curved surface area is still there. And since it has been scooped out, so this much area is still there. Upside and downside. This space is still available. That also is the area. So that's why it has been added +2 into curved surface area of the hemisphere, because two hemispheres has been removed there. So this way we can find the surface area of the scooping out figures there. Okay, so on that I have made one video. We just like to see that. Just see only, wait a minute, and we'll try to understand the questions also. Okay, so here is that video which I have made for you there. So it is there. So first of all I would like to explain the question here. Okay, what is this? Not this here, wait a minute, not this video here. Here is that video. Okay, is that here is that video here. Okay, we'll try to understand from this. Question is saying that, wait a minute, let me explain this first. Question is saying that a wooden article was made by scooping out a hemisphere from each end of a solid cylinder. Then we have to find the total surface area of the article and the volume of the remaining solid also. This is the question that we have to solve. So we'll start with the figure first. Okay, here is the figure and then we will solve also. Okay, so from this cylinder and its two ends, these two hemispheres has been scooped out. They has been removed. Now we have to find the total surface area of the article. Okay, I have explained the formula also, how we can find that. First of all, the data that has been given will write there, and height of the cylinder is given, as well as the radius is also given. That is 4.2 centimeter. So we have to find the total surface area and volume of the remaining solid. So formulas I have explained already, so I don't think you will face problem there. Okay, so now we'll solve also. So how we will find? First of all, try to find out the total surface area of the solid, remaining solid. Okay, so we know the formula, so we'll start that only. The total surface area of the remaining solid. So what is the total surface area? You know that is the curved surface area of the cylinder. Okay, so see, this is actually the figure. This part is also here, this part is also present there, and the curved surface area is already present. That circular base and circular top has been removed only. Okay, so that means we have to find the curved surface area of cylinder plus two hemispheres has been removed. That means 2 times the curved surface area of the hemisphere. Clear? Now everything is given. Formula, you know that curved surface of cylinder formula, you don't need to, I would that forget only. That is 2 pi RH. Okay, curved surface of two hemispheres, that is 2 pi r square, and it is 2 times there, so that means 2 into 2 pi r square. So now this will become here 2 pi r can come common, inside will be h plus 2r. Now simply put the information that has been given. Pi, in place of pi you can take 22 by 7. Radius is already given, 4.2. Height is 12, height of cylinder is 12 plus 2 into 4.2. That is the radius of the hemisphere also. Okay, so it's 44 into 0.6 into this one is 12 plus 8.4 centimeter square. So this all will come when we will calculate. So I have calculated earlier, so this is all equal to approx 538.5 centimeter square. So we have found the total surface area of the object. Now what? Now we have to find the volume of the remaining solid. So let us see what is the volume of the remaining solid here. So when the teachers are not there, this video is very useful. Just watch it and try to solve questions when you're facing problem there, when the teacher is not available in front of you. So now the volume of the remaining solid is the volume of cylinder from that two hemisphere has been removed. That means this much volume has been removed. So volume of cylinder minus volume of two hemispheres. Clear? Volume of two hemispheres there. So what is the volume of cylinder? You are doing very well. That is pi r square h. And then what is the volume of two hemispheres? So that is 2 into 2 by 3 pi r cube. Okay. So now that pi r square is common here. That is h minus 4 by 3 and r square is common r. All the informations only I have to put here. Pi value is, we are knowing, 22 by 7. Radius is 4.2 only, 2 times. Height is given 12 minus 4 by 3, that is 4.2. So when this all will be calculated, this unit you have to write very much. So when this all will be calculated, and this also I don't waste time here, so I just write that is equal to 354.8 centimeter cube. So in this way we just found the value of this scooped out type of questions. Understand it very nicely, is a very important topic. And then next class we'll learn something new. Till then, all of you take care. Thank you class, thank you very much.